How the economics and everything works is something which the architects and designers will have to look in. But if you can make it a mandate, then maybe half the problem of the world, including of our own spaces, would be solved. Because when you have a mandate, you follow the rules and you keep a vision of green spaces and clean spaces and stuff. You could have easy to maintain plants depending on the weather. Say for example, if you're living in the hill stations, then probably ferns and bamboo is easy, gladulas is easy, whatever is easy, tulips is easy. If you're living in a city, a cosmopolitan place like Delhi, whatever works during the season. So have an assortment or have a number of series of these flora designs presented. And of course, when you go towards Gurgaon or you're in the malls and stuff, many of us see that showrooms are exorbitantly set up, and the smaller ones, they already have greenery and everything. So make it a mandate so that we can also get over and tackle this issue of pollution and everything over the years and stuff. And greenery kisko achhi nahi lagti, who doesn't like greenery? And if you have a mandate, you're going to be raising responsible children, you're going to have a community which is concerned and working over the years on this. And when it becomes a mandate, the government knows that it's not just them, but it's not just the nursery people, it's not just certain people, but it's the world and the community, all the citizens of the country working along with them. So I've also shared this that greenery indoors grounds you, de-stresses you, puts you on a mission or gives you a purpose. You have to take